Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to copy and paste ads online and make $1,500 per sale. And this has never been done by anybody out there before. This is a brand new method I'm going to show you today. And by the end of this video, you're going to have a six-figure method that you can literally copy and paste in no more than 10 to 15 minutes a day. So before we get into the content, as always, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Right now, we've got 53,000 subscribers, so I appreciate all you loyal fans out there. If you're somebody that's new to the channel, go ahead and slam that red subscribe button, tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos that I upload when I upload them, and go ahead and hit that like button if you're super excited for this content. So let's go ahead and let's talk about, number one, the results that I've gotten just from my own efforts alone over the course of the past year. Now, this has been working for 5 years for me, and it's going to continue to work in 2020, 2021, 2022. So depending on when you're watching this, chances are this method still works because this is a long-term strategy that I'm going to be teaching you how to implement and deploy. So over the course of the past year, from last October 2018 to October 7th today, 2019, $379,000. This is all from free advertising strategies. Yes, you heard it right. Free advertising strategies. And I've taken home, because of course there's merchant fees, you've got, refunds every once in a while. I've netted $332,000 that's actually take home money. So what I want to do is I want to show you this exact strategy and to show you guys, this is legit. Obviously today, $1,000, yesterday, $204. But let me go ahead and refresh this so you guys can see that this is definitely legitimate. Let me go to the right account. It's going to switch accounts, which takes a minute. $1,000 right here. So let's go ahead and let's show you exactly how you're going to be copying and pasting. Like, what type of ads are you going to be copying and pasting? Well, we're going to be talking about YouTube. Now, most people out there don't want to shoot YouTube videos, so do not worry. You're not going to have to shoot YouTube videos whatsoever. But I'm actually going to allow a select group of people to be able to copy my videos and pass them off as their own and upload them to their own YouTube channels. Now, I've seen people do this on a small scale in the past, and people were able to create wildly successful business from doing that. And this is a great method because most people, they've got a fear of getting on video. And video right now here in 2019, 80% of the traffic on the internet is in fact video traffic. And the great thing about video is there's a lot of transparency with video. With video, you build a relationship so much faster than any other advertising medium, whether it be a Facebook post or an email or posting in a forum. That takes a lot more time to build a relationship. People often, when they see a YouTube video or a video anywhere online, it increases that relationship building process 10x. And you're able to turn somebody from a potential buyer to a buyer much faster than any other, medium out there. And so that's the reason why I've been able to create so much success so quickly inside of my merchant account right here. And so what I wanted to do, because I released programs over, the course of the past 5 years, and I had a lot of successful students, but the problem is most people didn't actually take action because the fears that occurred with creating videos and putting themselves on camera, and people wanted to be more private. And so I wanted to create something new where people could leverage me, leverage my expertise, go into a niche, know nothing about the niche, and leverage my knowledge and be able to copy my knowledge and pretty much inject it into their own YouTube accounts. And so that's what I want to allow you to do. So essentially, all you're going to be doing is copying my YouTube videos. And there's going to be a select few videos that I'm going to be releasing every single week. You're going to be able to copy those videos ethically and pretty much upload those videos uniquely on your channel. And we're going to do this in a way where YouTube knows that it's not duplicate content. We're going to make it unique, and you're going to be able to leverage me and my hard work and spend no more than 10 minutes a day copying and pasting these videos. Now, when you upload these videos to your YouTube channel, they're actually going to rank at the top of the search engine. So if somebody was to type in, for example, ClickBank for beginners, right? Then you'll see one of my videos ranked at the top. And if it's not ranked at the top, like here's one right here, this video has 226,000 views. So think about getting 226,000 views, free views to your video. So what'll happen is people will search for a search phrase, come down to your video, that's my video, of course, uploaded on your channel. They're going to click this link, and then they're going to obviously watch the video, consume the content, get value, and click the links in the description. Now, in your description of your video, you're going to paste an affiliate link that people can then go to. And when they buy the program that I'm selling for you, then you actually get the commission for it. So once somebody clicks the link in the description of my video uploaded on your channel, they're going to go through what's called a sales process right here. And what's so cool about this is I'm actually going to set this up for you. This is called a sales funnel. It's a 3-step process, and it goes from somebody entering their email address, right? They come from YouTube initially, and they come to this page from the description of your YouTube video. They enter their email address, then they go to a case study page, and then they go to book a call or go straight to Facebook Messenger. Now, you're going to be able to outsource this whole entire process, which is going to be pretty dang cool. So essentially, you're going to get all of my assets. So this funnel right here looks something like this. Like here's one of the pages. This is the opt-in page right here. You'll be able to leverage that. You're going to be able to leverage the case study page, which of course is right here. And that looks something like this. You're going to be able to leverage all of my pages here that I have in the whole entire funnel and inject them into your business. You're essentially getting my business in a box that's once again produced $332,000 in profit because no advertising expenses whatsoever. You're going to inject that into your business. And then I'm even going to follow up with your prospects in the form of an email autoresponder series. So when somebody opts into the opt-in page, they enter their email address, in other words, what happens is they're logged into what's called an autoresponder. This autoresponder is a service that logs hundreds and thousands and even millions of email addresses. So you don't have to, individually email each and every one of these prospects. It would take a lot of time, right? So you can use this service to send out one email to thousands and millions of prospects at once, and then send them back to your offer automatically. If they didn't decide to buy on the first time, sometimes it can take a few times, 3, 4, 5 times, and we're actually going to take care of that for you on your behalf. That's why you're seeing these different emails that go out every single day, sending people back to the offer. So once again, every single week, I'm going to release a video. You're going to be able to download the video. I'm going to show you tutorials on exactly how to do this. I actually have a full membership site right here. We've just released the first module, and week by week, we're going to be releasing other modules, and we're taking new students on board, and we're actually sending them step by step through these modules. So first week, you're going to set up everything. You're going to copy my business. You're going to copy everything that I explained to you today to set the foundation. After that, you're going to be able to download the videos, upload them uniquely to your channel. We're going to write all the titles, the descriptions, the tags for you. If you don't know what that is, don't worry. When you upload a video, there's certain things that you need to do, and I'm going to outline that in complete and utter detail for you so you know exactly what to do. So every time we take on a new group of students, they start here in Module 1. After they complete Module 1, then you're going to see Module 2 pop up here, so on and so forth. And then every single week, once again, we release new content that you just simply follow the directions, copy and paste the videos into your YouTube channel and optimize them the way that I show you so you can start generating, tens, thousands, hundreds of thousands of views like I've been able to do right here. And that is the game plan. That is the formula. Now, I'm only inviting a select group of people to be able to do this with me. I did this before, created a lot of success stories, and we're going to do it again. And so I'm looking forward to create more and more success stories with you. Now, you do have to be inside of the program to be able to copy my videos. You can't unethically, steal my content because you probably don't want to be hearing from my lawyers. So with that said, if you want to be part of this special opportunity, all you need to do is click the link below for more information, book a call with myself or one of my certified coaches, and we can genuinely see if you're a good fit. With that said, I hope you got value from this. If you did like this video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Take care.